I am Meena Rani, Assistant Professor from RPIIT Institute of Medical Sciences, Bastada, Karnal. Now, today's topic is learning. Definition of learning: relative permanent change in behavior brought about through experience or interaction with the environment. Next is, what is learning? Learning is the act of acquiring new or modifying existing knowledge, behavior, skill, value, or preferences, and may involve synthesizing different type of information. Learning क्या है? Learning is the development of knowledge, behavior, skill, value. Nature of learning. Learning is universal. Learning is a universal process because all individuals have different learning capability. Second is, learning is through experience. All individuals learn new things through experience. Learning is from all sides. Children learn different things from parents, teachers, environment, nature, media, etc. Learning is continuous. Learning is a continuous process. It starts from the birth to the death. Learning results in change in behavior. Through learning, we can change our behavior better. Learning is an adjustment. Learning helps the individual to adjust himself and according to the new situation. Learning comes about as a result of practice. It is the basis of drill and practice. It has been proven that students learn best and retain information longer when they have meaningful practice and repetition. Learning is relatively permanent change. Learning as growth and development. Learning is never ending growth and development. All individuals learn new things according to the growth and development. Learning is not directly observable. We cannot observe learning directly. Type of learning. First is motor learning. Most of our activity in our day-to-day life refer to motor activities.